Hey, how you doing? This is Jay's from Jay's Multi-Channel. Right now, I'm sitting in a 2019 Toyota Camry, and the issue I'm having is whenever I push this switch right here for the back seat on the driver's side, nothing would happen. So I looked everywhere, I didn't see anything, but the information I found out is that if that happens, and you might happen to put a new switch in it thinking that's going to fix it, and you get the same exact issue, then you're going to have to go to this window here, which actually works. Push it down, hold it for 2 seconds, push it up for 2 seconds, and hold it. And that just reset that door to work on the main switch. So now you should be able to get the window working. So yeah, that's it right now from Jay from Jay's Multi-Channel. Subscribe, like the video, and share it. Peace.